Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So today we're making some sausage and peppers, some hot sausage. So if you don't like hot, you could always get the sweet sausage, but we're making some hot sausage with some sausage and peppers, with some bell peppers and onions. We're going to use 3-color bell peppers today. Always got to get your traditional red and green. And we're going to add a little gourmet flare and add some yellow to it. We're going to season our veggies just with some Creole seasoning. I had some little bit of clarified butter here. Then we'll add our sausage in a minute. Okay, let's just cook up. And let me just add some of our seasoning here. Then we have some onion powder. And some garlic powder. So I've added my sausage on the griddle, and we are still sauteing our onions and bell peppers for our sausage and peppers. Look at that beautiful colors. All the burst of vitamins in here. So here we have our sausage and peppers. Usually, like, it said it's very Italian. Gio happens to be Italian. So we just paired it up with some curly fries, seasoned curly fries. And I like to have the little bit of a shishi fufu gourmet flair. So I added yellow bell peppers, not just the green and red that you typically see. And I added sweet onions to go, the Vidalia sweet onions to go with the red and green and yellow bell peppers. And we have some hot sausage here. We're on a brioche bun. And we added a special little touch. We give us a little crunchiness here of some crispy onions and some crispy red bell peppers as well. And I did add some sweet relish to it. So our resident taste tester, Gio, is going to give us his opinion.
Well, coming from an Italian, I guess we just have to see.
Okay. It's Italiano.
Pretty good. The sausage, it's hot sausage, so it has a nice little spice to it. And with the peppers and onions, with them being sauteed and spices on them, it adds a nice little flavor to them. And the crunchiness too from the little toppings all just comes together with sweet, savory, and crunchy and soft. It reminds me of like a cookout dinner or cookout lunch with the buns and the fries.
Just like Gio had said, the nice contrast that we have of the marriage of the hot, spicy sausage evened out with a soft brioche bun and the sweetness of the Vidalia onions as well as the bell peppers. And you get that beautiful color and flair from the yellow with the red and the green also popping out. And I just want to kind of give your, work our teeth muscles by giving us a little crunchiness of the topping of the crispy onions, as well as crispy red bell peppers. Just to have a great contrast of crunchy and sweet, savory, salty, and hot. So this is really simple to make. You can jazz it up however you like, or just take our idea as well. Thank you again for hanging out with us. We do appreciate it. And we will see you in our next video. Love you.